dear angels and guides, dear higher self, dear ancestors, dear star family members, those who are serving the love and light. I'm calling upon you. I'm calling upon the presence of the divine. And I'm asking that all of these beings surround me right in this moment. May I am surrounded by this infinite white light that is a healing light, that is light that illuminates any darkness, light in which anything that isn't coming from this light simply cannot survive. I'm calling upon the beautiful goddess of love, beauty, creativity, joy, goddess of cacao. May you come and accompany me today in this beautiful heart-opening ceremony. May I connect today with deeper aspects of myself. May I surrender to the sweet love that comes from you and that is my essence. May you take my hand today and guide me wherever I need to go, to see whatever I need to see, to have realizations, to have the answers coming to me to questions that I have been asking for a long time. May everything flow exactly as it has to. I'm surrendering, I'm trusting, and I'm allowing you to be my guide. Thank you for choosing to work with me today. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for allowing me to have this time during my day where I can just sit and appreciate the fact that I am, that I can breathe, that I can be, that I can love, that I can feel, that I can see, smell, hear, taste, and touch. I'm so grateful and so honored to be here in this moment. And I trust you for taking me on a journey, on a wild ride that will awaken my heart like it has never been opened and awakened before. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't give up now. You're closer than you think. I know it's hard to hold the frequency of a new age when it feels as if so much is crumbling and so many are losing faith. This is your sign that you are facing the right direction. You have a great gift in being able to see the potential of things before they exist. Tend to the new seeds. Dream them into existence. Don't lose faith now. Keep your focus fixed. Planting new seeds and bringing about the shift of the ages is no mean feat. It requires extreme trust and a radical vision. If you pull this card, it's a reminder to have faith. You chose to be here, to be a part of this global shift, whether you're bringing it about through prayer and meditation, or through working on a new project, job, or creation. Keep going. It's happening. Don't give up now. The world needs more dreamers like you, more people with hope in their hearts. The road ahead may not be plain sailing. Ushering in a new age, in times of change, never is. You're being encouraged to remember that what you have been working toward for so long is almost here. Don't question yourself now. Don't waver. Dig your devotion deep. For if you do, in the not too distant future, you will be able to sit back and watch all that you have so carefully planted and nurtured to grow and bloom. It's possible. Keep focusing on your dreams. You're closer than you think. And the Starseed Soul Inquiry is, how can you keep holding the vision?